So like starting off up here, like, you have your skip to main content link, which is like
Mhm.
fairly important for websites accessibility. I guess before I get into keyboard navigation, I want to talk about why this is useful.
Mm.
Like keyboard navigation is not just keyboards, it's also switches, it's also things like even screen readers, because your keyboard navigation relies on what's called a focus state. And a focus state is knowing where the focus is on your website. And I can tell you this, like me as like a non-disabled person, I use focus states when I'm using something like an Apple TV, and I'm looking at like my Disney Plus app, which has bad focus states, and I'm looking at this, I'm like, all right, well, where's my focus right now? And I have to like move left, move right, and stuff like that, and that's a little confusing. So
Yes.
the so the focus states are like basically where you currently are. So one of the things that I'm really proud of this website and Olivero and the new Drupal theme Olivero is navigation, and this navigation for this website right here is basically kind of copied and pasted from the Olivero theme. And so what it enables you to do is you can go to the end of the menu without having to go through it. There are plenty of websites where like it forces you to go down and through each menu item before you can go to the next one. And that's a little confusing. So
Hmm.
like as you go through here, you can see that you can see these focus states, and then we get into this call to action form right here, and you can see the focus states are the outline is outside of the item, and it's a different color, so it's visible and it's apparent, and as we go through, you can kind of see where you are at any given time. And so like if I'm a disabled person and I am navigating around using a switch, which is like a little assistive device, or I am using a screen reader, and going back and forth, or if you're a quadriplegic and you have like that little puff device where you're going or something like that, you need to know where you're focused. And if you don't
Hmm.
know that, you're kind of lost.